Over 60? Drink these 3 teas daily to rebuild muscle and walk strong, again, like 40. The journey of aging, particularly after the age of 60, often brings about a silent yet significant challenge: the gradual loss of muscle mass. This decline, which can range from 3 to 8% per decade, can transform simple daily activities into daunting endeavors. Tasks that were once effortless, such as rising from a low chair, navigating a short flight of stairs, or even enjoying a leisurely walk for more than 5 minutes, can suddenly feel overwhelmingly exhausting. This loss of muscle strength is not merely a physical inconvenience, it's a profound threat to one's independence, a silent erosion of confidence, and ultimately a detriment to overall quality of life. The simple joys of spontaneous outings, the peaceful satisfaction of tending to a garden, or the fundamental peace of mind derived from secure and confident movement can all be compromised. However, the empowering truth is that this decline is not an inevitable, irreversible fate. With the right approach, specifically through carefully selected nutrients and mindful lifestyle choices, the body retains an incredible capacity to rebuild muscle, regardless of age. And surprisingly, some of the most accessible, enjoyable, and potent sources of these vital nutrients can be found within the comforting embrace of a warm cup of tea. The aging process presents unique physiological hurdles that many are unaware of until they significantly impact their daily lives. A primary challenge is anabolic resistance, a condition where the body's response to muscle-building signals weakens with age. In younger years, protein intake acted as a powerful switch, readily triggering muscle growth and repair. As we age, this switch becomes less sensitive, meaning the same amount of protein yields a considerably weaker anabolic response. Compounding this issue is the insidious presence of chronic low-grade inflammation, a persistent internal fire that, over time, damages muscle fibers and hampers their ability to repair effectively. Add to this the age-related decrease in blood flow to the muscles, and you have a perfect storm that hinders muscle repair and growth. This is precisely where specific teas can offer remarkable support. Many teas are rich in bioactive compounds, potent natural molecules that work synergistically to combat inflammation, enhance circulation, and boost energy metabolism, thereby facilitating the efficient use of protein for muscle rebuilding. These compounds, like polyphenols, act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, while adaptogens help the body manage stress and accelerate recovery. While modern supplements and protein powders can be beneficial, tea offers a gentler, more soothing, and easily integrated approach, delivering these vital nutrients without added calories or complicated preparations. The key lies in choosing teas that specifically target the root causes of age-related muscle loss and utilizing them consistently. Our exploration into the world of muscle rebuilding teas begins with Rooibos tea, a naturally caffeine-free beverage hailing from South Africa, which earns the commendable number 3 spot on our list. Often overlooked and unfamiliar to many, Rooibos, derived from a unique shrub, is far from an ordinary herbal infusion when it comes to supporting muscle health after 60. Its complete absence of caffeine means no unwanted jitters or sleep disturbances, a significant advantage for many. What truly sets Rooibos apart is its exceptional blend of antioxidants, particularly aspalathin and nothofagin. Scientific studies have demonstrated that these compounds effectively reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, the relentless wear and tear that accelerates muscle loss. Research published in Phytomedicine showed Rooibos extracts significantly reducing inflammation markers and boosting antioxidant status, creating a more favorable environment for muscle repair and growth. While caffeine-free, Rooibos supports sustained energy by promoting healthy blood sugar regulation, ensuring a consistent fuel supply to muscles and reducing fatigue. To harness its benefits, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaves or 1 tea bag in hot water for at least 5 minutes, enjoying it warm or iced, perhaps with a slice of orange or cinnamon for added flavor and antioxidants. Its smooth, naturally sweet, and comforting taste makes it a delightful ritual that's easy to incorporate consistently, a crucial factor for muscle health. Moving on to our impressive number 2 spot, we find a universally beloved beverage with deeply appreciated muscle-boosting benefits: green tea. While widely recognized for its roles in weight management and cardiovascular health, green tea's potential as a powerful ally in muscle rebuilding after 60 remains largely unheralded. The secret lies in its high concentration of catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. This potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound has been shown in studies, such as one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, to enhance fat oxidation and significantly improve muscle recovery after physical activity. For older adults, this translates to fostering an environment conducive to muscle repair and growth. Green tea also contains a balanced amount of caffeine that, when paired with the amino acid L-theanine, promotes calm, focused alertness without the jitters often associated with other caffeinated drinks, which is beneficial for muscle activation and coordination. To combat the common perception of bitterness, simply heat water to about 175 degrees, just below boiling, and steep for 2 to 3 minutes for a smoother taste. Adding a slice of lemon enhances flavor and boosts the absorption of catechins due to its vitamin C content. For those sensitive to caffeine, high-quality decaffeinated green tea offers a similar profile with reduced caffeine. Aim for 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably in the morning or early afternoon, to maximize blood flow and antioxidant support during active hours. Green tea has been a staple in many daily routines for its flavor and its proven ability to help maintain leg strength, speed up recovery, and prolong mobility. Claiming the undisputed number 1 position, a tea that stands in a league of its own, revered for centuries in traditional medicine, and now validated by rigorous modern research for its profound muscle-restoring capabilities, is the ashwagandha root tea. While not a conventional thought for muscle building in the Western world, ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is far more than a simple tonic. It is one of the most scientifically backed herbs for improving strength, augmenting muscle mass, and enhancing overall resilience, particularly in older adults. Its potent effects stem from active compounds called withanolides, which act as adaptogens, helping the body better cope with physical and age-related stress. What truly sets ashwagandha apart is its demonstrated ability to gently boost testosterone levels within healthy ranges in both men and women, crucially improve muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle, and significantly reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that contributes to muscle breakdown. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed older adults experiencing significant gains in muscle strength and size with regular ashwagandha supplementation, often without drastic changes to diet or exercise. Preparing it as a tea involves simmering 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in a cup of water for 10-15 minutes, then straining and drinking it warm, perhaps with a splash of milk and cinnamon to balance its earthy flavor. While generally well tolerated, individuals with thyroid issues, autoimmune conditions, or those on blood pressure or blood sugar medication should consult their healthcare provider before consumption. Many have experienced noticeable improvements in energy, reduced muscle soreness, and renewed confidence in their stride after incorporating ashwagandha tea into their daily routines. This ancient root unequivocally earns its premier spot for its comprehensive muscle support and invigorating effects. In summary, the 3 exceptional teas that hold the potential to profoundly help rebuild precious muscle, empower confident walking, and reclaim vitality are Rooibos tea, green tea, and ashwagandha root tea. Rooibos, a caffeine-free antioxidant powerhouse, combats inflammation and provides sustained energy. Green tea, rich in EGCG, aids muscle recovery and growth, complemented by the calming focus of L-theanine. Ashwagandha root tea, an ancient adaptogen, boosts muscle strength, resilience, and energy levels, especially crucial after 60. It's vital to remember that while these teas are potent allies, consistency is paramount. Integrating them into your daily routine creates an optimal internal environment for muscle repair and continuous support, enabling you to move through life with unwavering confidence. A few essential safety notes are important. Rooibos is generally safe, but consult a doctor if you have liver issues. For green tea, opt for decaffeinated if sensitive to caffeine. And for ashwagandha tea, consultation with a healthcare provider is essential if you have thyroid conditions, autoimmune disorders, or are taking specific medications. Which of these incredible teas are you most excited to try first? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights can inspire others in our supportive community. If this video has been valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more empowering content designed to help you stay robustly strong, vibrantly active, and fiercely independent, no matter your age. Remember, age doesn't dictate your strength. Your intentional choices do. Each cup of tea is a conscious act of reclaiming your strength, reaffirming your independence, and re-embracing your freedom to move through life with unshakable confidence. Keep nurturing yourself one sip at a time, because after 60, your best steps are truly still ahead of you.